If you're looking to extend the life of your 3037.5 by 18 belt sander, Astro's wider rubber-coated roller is a smart upgrade. Designed to replace worn components or enhance older models, this roller delivers noticeable improvements in performance and durability right out of the box. What sets this roller apart is its wider rubber coating, which can boost belt life by up to 40%. That means fewer replacements and smoother sanding sessions. It's a simple change that directly impacts how efficiently your sander works and how long your belts last. The package includes a complete 5-piece assembly: the roller itself, bearings, spacer, and screw. Everything you need to install it easily and get back to work without hassle. This all-in-one kit ensures compatibility and a secure fit, especially if you're upgrading an older model or replacing worn parts. Astro never cuts corners on quality. Their products are engineered with the latest technology and designed with the user's experience in mind. This roller matches the original specs for the H.F. Baxter brand, so it's a reliable replacement for tools sold by Harbor Freight and similar brands. Many users have praised this roller for fitting perfectly on their Harbor Freight Baxter tools. While Harbor Freight doesn't typically offer replacement parts, this Astro roller fills that gap, giving you a trustworthy option to keep your sander running smoothly without buying a whole new tool. If you want to maintain your belt sander's performance and avoid frequent belt changes, this wider rubber-coated roller is worth considering. It's a practical, cost-effective upgrade that helps you get the most out of your existing tool. For anyone who depends on their 3037.5 by 18 belt sander for regular projects, this roller offers real value. It's easy to install, built to last, and backed by positive feedback from users across the United States. If that's you, take a closer look at Astro's wider rubber-coated roller. Try it when you're ready to improve your sander's efficiency and extend your belt's lifespan without compromise.